This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Tail light bulbs renewal. Open the tailgate and locate the provided hook tool. This should be in the floor storage compartment or the side compartment. Alternatively, a tool can easily be fabricated from a coat hanger. Use the hook tool to release the cover. Remove the mounting screws and slide the unit to the side to unhook. Note the two ball-headed retaining bolts. Now disconnect the wiring plug. On newer models, you may need to use a flat-bladed screwdriver to release the plug's locking tab. Working on the bench, unclip the bulb holder from the light cluster. On later models, the bulb holder is held in place by 4 Phillips screws. The bulbs have bayonet fittings. Simply unscrew by turning anti-clockwise and withdrawing. Replace by pushing in and turning clockwise. Refit the bulb holder by clipping it back into position or tightening the 4 screws. Now reconnect the wiring plug to the light cluster and slide it back into position, making sure the ball-headed retaining bolts are engaged. You may want to make sure the new bulbs work before proceeding any further. Tighten both screws. Clip the plastic cover back into place.